Alright, so I'm doing compare. Alright, so this is the stock BMW slip-on. And after. It's the next morning. As you can see that I have the Aero race slip-on. I removed the DB killer. Super easy. All I gotta do, there's a bolt like right in the right here. There's a bolt. Just remove that and then just with a hammer just bang it out from here. Just bang it out that way. Super simple. All right, let's do a start up and see if there's any sound difference. Let's turn the key. A big difference. Loud as fuck. Going, still warming up. Oh man, I can feel the energy from here. It totally sounds, this bike sounds so much meaner. It's got like a deep kind of growl to it now, compared to the stock Acro can. The Acro can is nice, you know. I'll sell it to whoever wants it, you know. I'm seeing them go for like 400 bucks on the Facebook Marketplace. Fuck it, I'll sell it for like 250. Fuck it. All right, let's get on and let's hear how it sounds while riding. Let's find neutral. There we go. First, second, neutral. See all the full foliage happening. Nice weather. The days are numbered. The days are numbered. Ooh. Itchy ball. Alright, let's see. Oh my god, it sounds so much better. It just sounds meaner, louder, stronger. Kitchen ass. Yeah, you definitely want to have earplugs. Definitely. Luckily, I got the Art of Eve earplugs that I kept seeing on Facebook Marketplace go viral. They cut out wind noise and everything. They do work. I will say, they do work. I can hear my intercom better. And there's not a lot of wind noise, so I'm really happy about that. And it was a buy one, get one free. So I got one for me, and then I got one for my stepfather. Oh, the pops are twice as loud now. Oh my god, they're so much fucking louder. Sounds like fucking shots fired. Ay, ay, ay. I'm loving it. This is great. Love it. It sounds so good. It sounds really fucking good, man. I'm so happy. I said it 100 times already. I don't really have anything really planned as far as for the channel. I just shoot from the hip. I mean, updates come when updates come, when anything good comes in the mail that I order or anything. So installation was really quick. 1, 2, 3, if you know how to put a slip-on and take one off, you know, it's exactly the same. There's plenty of videos online for it. I did it with my stepdad in the middle of the night. Oh my God. Oh, the bike sounds so good. And then the vibrations from the windshield, they're gone because I got this WRS windshield. Well, my stepdad got it for me for my birthday because my birthday's in 3 days. 3 whole days and I'll be 30 fucking 8. Maybe I'll do a video on my life up to 38. We'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna cut the video here. I hope you all have a great, wonderful day today. It's a nice Saturday morning. Go out, see family, eat good food, and celebrate my birthday with me. All right.